This is a little project you can do with an old typewriter that's not worth a whole lot. This is an Underwood Typemaster, exactly the same model as my very first typewriter that I ever bought, that I got as a part of a payment, I think back in the early January, no, even, no, it was the very last day, I think, of December of last year that I got this machine. It's an old lesson machine or a typing class machine. The keys didn't have any letters on them and the paint was very worn. The keys were very worn and damaged. And there was a number on the back which you can still slightly make out. As you can see, 33. So we decided to paint it. Get something creative on there. And although the lighting in here is terrible, you can tell that it's very well done. Very funny. But I wanted glitter to put on there, and I just said, why not? We'd put glitter on there. So it became a real funny art project. We had the keys done. My mother did that. And that looks really cool, I think. As you can see. So yeah, if you have not even an old typewriter, but a worthless radio, an old desk, which you can clearly tell what it's standing on, my old sewing machine desk, you can do these things. I mean, it's just brings back a little fun in something that was given up on years ago. Although this machine wasn't, because the man I got it from, he, like I said, he gave it to me as part of a payment. He used it literally the day before, but he wanted something else. So yeah, and now it sits here. It's a display for now, but when it starts to peel more, I'll probably start using it. So yeah, okay. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.